All right, last week was a beautiful trading week, and today I'm here about to do another live trading video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Najee. I've been trading for 5 years. I've been profitable for 3 years, and I just been trading live every week to show you the process of taking wins, losses, and break evens, because that's the 3 things you need with a good system to become profitable. So right now I have a list of confluences right here. I'm not trying to really rush anything because it's just Monday. It's not really a lot of price action to go off of, just price action based on last week. But we're gonna see what it's hitting for today, and we're gonna see what it's hitting for the week. All right, so I just got tagged into the trade. All right, so I'm gonna be breaking even, making this risk-free. Alright, let me just close this out then. Alright, so I got stopped out at break even. It is what it is. You know, you can't control what you can't control. All you can control is the rules you follow. And even though this stopped me out at break even, I passed one of my challenges. I even got the email right here. It just popped up on my phone. And I'm not gonna be entering another position just at the same area, just because the reason why I have a 1-to-1 break even area is to take off risk, right? And even though I allow myself to take 2 trades in a specific day, it doesn't mean that I have to use it all. I want to find a better trade opportunity if I want to take another trade in a day, but not at the same area. And even though it could still hit TP2, I do not care about that because I'm following a set process. I'm not chasing the money. So if there's no other trade ideas, I'll just show y'all the P&L for the day right now, and y'all will see me tomorrow. So as you can see right here, break even trade. And let me see if I could pull up my new C Trader account. Hopefully the trades actually did place on there because I didn't check on it yet. All right, so as you can see on my second account, I have a small bit of profit right here because as you can see, I did close this one a little bit earlier since my other Effectify account got stopped out at break even first, so I might as well just close out the other account. So I'm really glad that everything was transferred, but yeah. So it's currently Tuesday here. Right now I don't have a list of confluences because I'm kind of just eyeing the market to see what does it really want to do, because the first thing I noticed is the major points of liquidity areas have been tapped already. So for all I know, this whole session can be just choppy. So I just want to see whether some type of momentum wants to come up to the upside, because you know we were bullish from London session, but the fact that we stopped at the previous day's high like this a wick, and we also took out the previous day's low, tapped into there right here, there's no reason for it to just chop around right here. But another possible thing, if I do wait, we could push up with a lot of momentum, right, for a potential retest to get into a trade to take it higher like that, but only time will tell. I ain't gonna lie, taking entry at the previous day's high doesn't look too bad for me right here. Alright, so I just placed a trade. Alright, so I'm in the trade right now for both accounts. And let me just adjust all of this. Oh, I went in for a buy. Oh shoot, Oh, damn. I was like, why is it? Shit. Oh. Damn, man. Damn, why did I do that? Fuck. I hate that I just did that, bruh. Whatever. This one is at break even. Alright, this trade is at break even. I'm not gonna bother entering trying to get in for this account because this account is at break even. I stopped out at break even. It is what it is. You know, I'm gonna just hop off the charts. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just see what price is doing, to be honest, and see if momentum wants to come into the market to the upside. But for right now, I'm gonna just look at the market. There's a lot of momentum coming into the market. Bruh, that shit pissed me off. High key. Man. Like, what do I even put in my damn journal, bruh? Mistakes. Yeah, I'm gonna just call it a day for my second trade idea. I was looking for longs because that momentum that I was talking about came into the market. So I was wanting a retracement right here, but price doesn't even look like it's gonna retrace during the session. So I'm gonna hop off a bit early, show up tomorrow, and yeah.
Hi, I'm back again. Today's Wednesday. I'm here with a list of confluences on why I want to take potential longs at this area right here, but we're gonna wait until 9:30 to see what the session is hitting for. So I have another potential trade idea right here for shorts, right above that previous the Asian session highs right here. I'll go wait to see if it wants to react at this area. Alright, so I just got into the trade for a sell. We're gonna see if this is gonna be a win, loss, or break even. Yeah, so I took a L on that trade. It is what it is. I thought price was gonna react off of this area to continue lower, but it is what it is. This shit crazy work. Price stopped me out just by a little bit, just to move in my direction. It is what it is. Looks so choppy. So if we go over the P&L for the month, as you can see right here, I lost about $1,000 on the Effectify account. And then if we look at my 5%ers account, I lost about $366. So we can just call that like $1,400 for the day that I lost. But it is what it is. We're gonna show up tomorrow, follow the same rules. I'm hopping off the charts. It looks pretty choppy today, so I'm cool off of that. Alright, so today's a new day, and today I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not gonna be trading today. And the reason why I'm not going to be trading today is just look at this price action so far this week. It's been extremely choppy this week. price is already at the previous day's low. It's struggling to get lower. It's just too choppy. I'd rather save my money for better price action. So I'm gonna show up tomorrow, see if there's better price action. If not, I'm gonna wait until next week. All right, it is the last day of the trading week, and finally, after a very, very choppy week, we finally have some clear moves happening today. Clear volume in the market. I am definitely gonna be looking for potential opportunities, but it's not guaranteed I'm gonna get a trade today. That's what you gotta understand. So I got a list of confluences on why I want to take longs. Personally, as you can see, it's 9:44. I'm not trading until after 10:05 because we do have my boy Powell about to speak at 10 a.m. and you don't want to be in any trades beforehand or trading when he speaks because of the amount of volume that could potentially come into the market. You can get slipped or trades in an amount. So I want to protect my capital. Whoa, look at that volume my boy Powell just did. Like I didn't even look up. Look at this shit. Look at it. Boy Powell, what are you doing? Somebody got stopped out. I know somebody did. I know somebody lost 3% today, risking 1%. I know somebody that's risking 5% today that lost 10%. I know it. They was trying to predict the reversal right here. And Powell said, nah, my boy, you don't have a count no more. So I'm gonna just call it a day. It's the end of the week. This whole session I was looking for longs, but price did not retrace into the area I wanted it to retrace to get my longs. But it is what it is. I'm gonna just end off the week like that. Short next week, follow the same process, even though I had a small losing week. So we're just gonna go over the P&L for the week real quick before we end off this video. So this is the weekly P&L for my FXify account. I took the first day I took a break even. The second day I took this accidental loss because, you know, accidentally placed a buy instead of a sell. Then the third day I took a loss right here, and I'm gonna quickly add that up. For my FXify account, I lost $1,523.93. Now onto the 5%ers account. And if we look at the 5%ers account, if we go, it's on current rate right now. I took it was 3 trades right here. I have the loss. I have two break evens on here, and the total P&L is -300. So if I add that up, 301. In total, I lost $1,823.94 this week. It is what it is. I'm not focused by the daily P&L. I'm not focused by the weekly P&L. I'm focused by my process, because me following my process will lead to making money, as you can see by my other live trading videos.